Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Venmo debit card. The Venmo debit card is a convenient way to make purchases online and in stores using the funds in your Venmo account. To get started, you need to have a Venmo account and the Venmo debit card. First, you need to apply for the Venmo debit card through the Venmo app. The application process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes to complete. Once you have applied, you will receive your debit card in the mail within a few days. To activate your card, open the Venmo app and navigate to the debit card section. You will be prompted to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. After activation, you can start using your card to make purchases. When making a purchase, you can use your Venmo debit card just like any other debit card. You can use it to buy items online, in stores, or to withdraw cash from an ATM. The funds will be deducted directly from your Venmo account, so make sure you have sufficient funds before making a purchase. One of the key benefits of the Venmo debit card is that it allows you to use your Venmo balance to make purchases without having to transfer the funds to a traditional bank account. This can be especially useful for users who receive payments through Venmo and want to use those funds to make purchases immediately. To track your spending and manage your account, you can use the Venmo app. The app allows you to view your transaction history, check your balance, and set up notifications to alert you to any suspicious activity. You can also use the app to transfer funds to and from your Venmo account, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. In terms of security, the Venmo debit card is protected by a PIN and zero liability protection, which means you are not responsible for any unauthorized transactions. You should also make sure to keep your card and account information secure by not sharing your login credentials or card details with anyone. Best practices for using the Venmo debit card include regularly monitoring your account activity, keeping your card and account information secure, and being mindful of your spending habits. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of your Venmo debit card and enjoy the convenience and flexibility it provides. In conclusion, the Venmo debit card is a convenient and easy-to-use payment method that allows you to make purchases online and in stores using the funds in your Venmo account. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the card responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of the Venmo debit card while managing your finances effectively.